Hello friends, this is Brian Lathe and I have another exciting video. This time I have a video on DarkCrystal, which is a tomb fork. It is on the Cronos network, and the native token DarkCrystal is pegged to W-Cro, which is the main token, the wrapped version of the main token on the Cronos chain. So I do a lot of videos on tomb forks, and I'm going to continue to do that. It's something I really enjoy doing, and if you're interested in tomb forks, interested in learning how to make more money with them, you definitely want to subscribe to my channel. So please like and comment on the video below, and also subscribe to my channel. So DarkCrystal is on the Cronos blockchain, and it was launched in early June. And right now, as you can see here, it is paying 4.66 daily APR. And this is just in the single staking of DarkCrystal token. Okay, so there's a number of these crystal mines, which I will show you very quickly here, very shortly. And this one happens to be paying 4.66 daily right now. Of course, this will change as more people stake more DarkCrystal in there. So it has a nice daily APR, has a low total value locked. You can interact with the team who developed this through Twitter, Discord, Telegram. They've also created some excellent documentation that you can read. And when you go to their homepage, you're going to see several links at the top. I have blocked out a few. So the ones that you want to pay attention to are the home link, okay, the crystal mines, which, if you're familiar with tomb forks, that is the link that'll lead you to the farms. The dark room is the link that'll lead you to the boardroom. Now, they have added a couple things. They have added nodes, which is very, very interesting. They've also added vaults, and of course, they have documentation. Okay, so the other links are not important right now, or they lead to areas that have been discontinued. So these ones that I have highlighted and have remained on here are the ones that are important. I will talk about vaults in more detail on the final slide. And right now, as I'm working toward the vaults, I'm going to talk a little bit about the farms, the boardroom, and the nodes. And then finally, I will talk about the vaults and my strategy on how I'm working this program. Okay, so this is what you get when you click on the Crystal Mines link, which is the farms. They have 6 of them available, and they're all excellent. So you can do the DarkCrystal with Cro. You can do Mine with Cro. So these are the 2 tokens of the protocol. Then you can combine the 2 tokens together and have an LP. Okay. Then you can do DarkCrystal all by itself, or you could do DarkCrystal with USDC. That's very nice. And then you can do Mine with MUSD, which is another stablecoin. Okay, so they've got some stablecoin liquidity pairs. They've got a single staking liquidity pair, and then they've got Cro with the main tokens of the protocol. This is an excellent 6 different farms that will help this program along very nicely. And here's the boardroom link. They call it the dark room. And right now the TWAP is above 1.0, so that's excellent. That means it's paying out, and it's paying out 4.94% daily right now. Of course, when the TVL goes up, that will go down a little bit. But I'm working on getting my first bit of mine earned through the DarkCrystal that I'm staking, and then I will put that in here, and then I'll start earning some from here. I'll explain a little bit more about my strategy in upcoming slides. So I did get involved in their Twitter, their Discord, and the other channels that they have available. And let's see here. Okay, so in the Discord, I did find this available, this graphic that they made, which basically explains a little bit of a strategy that you can use. They've got different scenarios that you want to look at. Okay, and this one is DarkCrystal price between, and actually, I think that's incorrect. I don't think you're looking for the DarkCrystal price to be between anything. You're actually looking for the DarkCrystal TWAP to be between 1 and 1.99. And as I showed on the previous slide, it is above 1.0 right now. So this is the scenario that you want to be using. So there are scenarios based on the TWAP being other levels. I do think that this is actually in error. You don't want to actually look at the DarkCrystal price, because DarkCrystal price is pegged to Cro. So you don't really want to manipulate that price. What you want to do is you want to help the TWAP along. You want to help the TWAP stay above 1.0, but you don't want it to really go higher than 2.0. So it being less than 2.0 is actually very good right now. That means that the chances that people are going to hoard this up and then dump it real fast are a little bit minimized. So this is actually, I believe, in pretty good shape. Okay, so you buy, and you buy it on MM Finance. You buy equal amounts of DarkCrystal and Cro to create an LP. Now, what I did is I just bought the DarkCrystal and I staked it in the single staking farm. Okay, so you can do either one. You could do DarkCrystal and stake it in the single staking farm, or you could buy DarkCrystal and some Cro, combine them together, create an LP. Then you want to stake those LP tokens into the pool on Crystal Mines. Okay, so Crystal Mines is that farming link that I showed you. So you want to stake them there into the appropriate pool, and then by doing that you will earn mine rewards, and then you can stake those in the boardroom. So when you stake those in the boardroom down here on step 3, you are earning more DarkCrystal. So it creates a nice little thing in the when you're staking the LP tokens or the DarkCrystal all by itself. You're earning the mine tokens which you stake here, and then here you're earning the tokens that you need to stake here. So you're creating a nice little loop where you can you're earning something here that can stake here, earning something here that can stake here. It creates a nice little loop where you're kind of growing and growing and growing and compounding and getting better and better and better every time you compound it. So that's pretty exciting. Then you earn DarkCrystal tokens as a reward. You can stake those as DarkCrystal, which I've already done. I'm staking DarkCrystal in the Crystal Mines. Or you can combine the DarkCrystal that you earn here with the mine that you earn here, create the DarkCrystal and mine LP, and then stake that in the farms, and you'll earn more mine. Okay, so there's a lot of ways that you can use these tokens to keep building this up and earning more and compounding, and it gets better and better and better with time. That's the goal. Okay, so now they've added something here called nodes. So nodes is one of the big major links there on the main navigation screen. So we can get DarkCrystal nodes, we can get mine nodes, we can get DarkCrystal and Hakuna Matata LP token nodes, and we can get DarkCrystal and MMF, which is the MM Finance token. We can get a node with that. Now, if you go to that page and click on the views, you can see the prices of those different nodes. So they all have a different price. The MMF one was like right around $1, and I believe this one was right around $50, if I'm not mistaken. It was one of these two was right around $50. So they do have different prices, but you can get the nodes, and they have very excellent daily APRs. This one, I believe, was like in the range of 1.59% per day. For some reason, my screen capture didn't capture those percentages. But the nodes do have partnerships with MM Finance and Hakuna Matata Finance. I don't know if they're going to have more in the future. They may. It seems like one of the areas they were developing. Now, I do want to mention they are also on the Aurora blockchain, which is near protocol. And that is exciting. However, it sounds like that launch had a little bit of a problem. So they are presently kind of holding that launch. So right now it doesn't look like we can jump over and do anything with Near. But if that ever does change, I will definitely create a video and explain that. So again, I'm going to show this again one more time here. The important navigation links are the Crystal Mines, the Darkroom. You're going to be using those a lot. Nodes is what I just explained. And what I'm going to explain on this slide is the vaults. So when you go to the vaults, it's going to open up this little pop-up menu, and you can have vaults on Magic or Yield Wolf. Okay, and what these are is these are auto compounding vaults that you can enter into and create LP tokens and stake them here, and then these will auto compound for you automatically. So they'll have a nice daily percentage that will just build and build and build, and you don't have to worry about coming back here on a regular basis and trying to do the manual compounding. This will auto compound for you, and you can definitely check those out. So as those build and grow for me in advance, I will definitely be doing videos on how that's working for me. So what my goal is I'm going to make $10 a day from the crystal mines, and then I'm going to use that $10 a day to start making $10 a day from the boardroom. And then once I'm making $10 a day from the crystal mines and $10 a day from the boardroom, then I'm going to start combining both rewards into DarkCrystal LP tokens, and then stake those and make another $10 a day with that. So I'll be making $30 a day, and then I'm going to use that $30 a day to start buying nodes and vaults. Okay, and I want to say that this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial planner, so this is a somewhat risky organization or operation. This is not guaranteed money. So do enter this understanding the risks, read the documentation, get involved with several people who might be doing videos on this, get involved with the Twitter and there's a Twitter and a Telegram and a Discord, so get involved with those and read all these documentation and ask a lot of questions. Feel free to ask me questions, other people questions, and get a better understanding of this before you put your money into it, and only put in money that you are willing to lose. So just want to let you know that this is not a guaranteed program. Nothing in crypto or life is guaranteed, and this is not financial advice. So with that, I want to wish you the best. I am investing in this. I'm hoping for the best. I'm pretty bullish on it. I like what they're doing. I like what I see here, and I'm hoping that I can get to know these people and get them connected, maybe in partnerships with some other programs that I really like. So wish everybody a great day, and I'll catch you on my next video.